We showed you earlier how temperature affects the type of winter precipitation that falls, but it also plays a big part in how much will fall. Here is a look at how we predict snowfall amounts. We look at several things when making a snow forecast. First, we look at how much liquid precipitation we expect, then convert that to inches of snow. To do this, we need to determine the snow ratio, which depends on temperature and the track of the storm system. The average snow to liquid ratio is 10 to 1, which means that if 10 inches of snow fell and that snow was melted, it would produce 1 inch of liquid precipitation. This average, however, does not always hold true and depends on atmospheric conditions. A heavy wet snow usually occurs when temperatures are near or just below freezing. This type of snow has a snow to liquid equivalent less than 10 to 1. So a 5 to 1 ratio means that an inch of liquid precipitation would produce 5 inches of snow. But on the other hand, dry snow tends to have a higher ratio and usually occurs with colder temperatures. So a 15 to 1 ratio means we would get 15 inches of snow with an inch of liquid precipitation. Dry air fed into winter storm systems can also cause snow amounts to vary greatly. The dry slot occurs in storm systems as dry air is pulled into the system and sinks to the surface, causing the precipitation to end or turn to drizzle. Areas within the dry slot will end up with much lower snow amounts. Another thing we take into consideration is snow banding, which is a concentration of falling snow in a 20 to 50 mile band. The convergence of winds within the storm system cause the precipitation to spread into a band, producing a narrow corridor of heavy snow. Locating these bands is more difficult until the storm is about 2 hours away and the banding is detected by radar.